About 5 years ago, when we started to modernize our own processes here at Vanguard, we were solving for past problems and not future problems. So it was a big game of just whack-a-mole. We were putting out fires left and right, and quite frankly, we were just solving for the problem of the day, not the problem of tomorrow. And this doesn't have to be, this overarching huge company shift. It's a slow transition. It's a slow change. Like I said, we started 5 years ago. I don't consider us done. I don't think we'll ever be done truly innovating in our processes. But what it has done is modernizing our systems, moving to cloud native systems, moving to systems that are designed for our business. So contractors out there, moving to systems that are designed for your business. Job costing, construction payroll, those types of things are absolutely game-changing. They're invaluable, actually. And so back to kind of my point, it doesn't have to be this huge shift overnight. In fact, I argue that it should never be a huge shift overnight because you're never going to get adoption. People are going to be lost. You're going to be swimming in a sea of, consulting bills and fees and all of this kind of stuff. And you're never going to get your head above water if you try to take on too much at one time. And so it could be as simple as, a good example of this is Sage Intacct Construction. We've got a ton of customers that are on Sage 300 Construction Real Estate, and they're doing so much manually. They're doing so much by Excel. Same with my QuickBooks folks. They're doing so much in Excel. And we can show them just one simple change. With Sage Intacct Construction, union dues. You know that the union due changes are coming up. You can load those in the system as effective dates, and it will transition on the date that it's supposed to transition, do the calculation and everything for you, so you don't have to manually scramble, manually calculate, put in formulas, all of that crap. It just goes away. So again, like I said, you're solving for future problems in that case. The union dues are changing. You know that the union fees are changing. All of that kind of stuff is happening. No longer do you have to wait until it actually happens. You can load it into the system and let the system do it for you. So if you're intimidated by the process, don't be. It's small wins. It's a collective series of wins. It's not going to happen overnight. You're going to run into problems. You're going to run into challenges on the way, but you're solving for future problems and not past problems, because there's no value in solving for problems in the past. That's my argument. No value at all. There is tons of value for solving for those problems in the future.